You believe you're overwhelmed because life's demands are impossibly high. But the truth is, you're not overwhelmed. You're disconnected from what truly matters. Meet Alex, a young professional hailed as a rising star, yet trapped in a whirlwind of anxiety and powerlessness. Alex thought the key to success lay in controlling everything: work, relationships, future plans. But what they will discover is the profound strength that lies in relinquishing the uncontrollable, focusing instead on the realms where they have true power. Ancient Stoic wisdom will transform their chaos into clarity, revealing a path to enduring success and inner peace. In the bustling heart of 2025, where the digital world never sleeps, Alex sits alone on a park bench, the weight of countless ambitions vying for their attention. An insidious thought creeps in, whispering that success means mastering the uncontrollable. Yet in this moment of solitude, Alex stumbles upon the musings of ancient philosophers, the Stoics, their voices echoing across millennia. What can wisdom from nearly 2,500 years ago offer Alex today? Everything. It's not an alluring escape, but a gateway to resilience, an invitation to focus on what can be controlled: the mind, the actions, the reactions. In a society fueled by relentless external pressures, Stoic teachings become a beacon, guiding Alex toward a life of intentional power and peace. True success isn't in playing the world, it's in mastering oneself. Picture a bustling marketplace in ancient Athens, a place teeming with the energy of bartering traders, echoing footsteps, and the distant clang of bronze. Here, amid the chaos, we find Epictetus, a former slave-turned-Stoic philosopher, sitting calmly amidst the noise, teaching a curious crowd. His words cut through the din. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Fast forward to today. Alex stands amidst a different kind of marketplace, the digital battlegrounds of modern business. Emails pour in like cascading sheets of rain, deadlines hammer relentlessly at the door, and the pressure to perform feels like a tightened vice. Overwhelm is a constant companion, but it's in the depths of this storm that Epictetus's wisdom resonates with Alex. The realization begins to dawn. The maelstrom outside is uncontrollable, but the mind can be trained to navigate it with serenity. Alex recalls days lost agonizing over situations beyond control, each moment chipping away at inner peace. But the shift starts small, recognizing the power held within a single breath, the decision to act with purpose or to choose patience over despair. It's a profound acceptance of life's unpredictability and the resolute focus on mastering one's reactions, the only true domain of control. In life's grand tumult, the lesson becomes clear. Freedom lies not in changing the winds, but in mastering how to sail. For Alex, this marks the beginning of a journey away from anxiety and toward empowerment, embracing the tranquil strength found in accepting what is and focusing on what can be changed. In the midst of life's relentless challenges, resilience emerges not as a shield against adversity, but as an unyielding spirit that bends with the storm, refusing to break. For Alex, the days of feeling overwhelmed by career deadlines and personal life pressures have been a constant pressure cooker, causing stress that seemed insurmountable. Yet, it is here, in the eye of the storm, that a new understanding of fortitude begins to unfurl. The wisdom of the Stoics whispers ancient truths through the noise of modern anxiety. We suffer more often in imagination than in reality, mused Seneca. It's a revelation that struck Alex on a particularly hectic morning when an unexpected project threatened to throw the day's carefully laid plans into chaos. Instead of succumbing to panic, Alex paused, breathing deeply, recalling that it is not the events that shape us, but how we respond that truly matters. Each stressful moment was in reality an opportunity, a chance to practice resilience. Just as a blacksmith tempers steel, bathed in fire and cooled by air, so does each challenge temper the mind, forging strength and wisdom. Alex embraced this understanding, cultivating a mental fortitude that transforms stress into a teacher rather than a tormentor. Through this journey, Alex realized that resilience isn't a distant ideal, but a muscle, strengthened by facing adversity head-on and emerging more capable each time. This understanding redefined their perspective on struggles, viewing them not as hurdles ahead, but as stepping stones in their path to self-mastery. It was during these tests of resolve that Alex began to find scattered threads of inner calm, slowly weaving them into a tapestry of strength and determination. In the midst of life's chaos, when Alex felt most burdened by expectations and uncertainty, a new perspective began to form, a perspective rooted in the simple yet profound practice of gratitude. It's often said that gratitude is the heart's memory. For Alex, this meant recognizing that amidst the turmoil there were countless sparks of light, moments to be thankful for, no matter how small or overlooked. This unfolding awareness invited a shift, a realignment with the present moment, bringing into sharp focus what truly mattered. Imagine Alex, once ensnared by an endless loop of future worries, suddenly realizing the liberating power of thankfulness. As Marcus Aurelius once advised, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Alex found strength in each appreciative breath, in every whispered thank you for the lessons learned and the opportunities yet to come. It was gratitude that began clearing the fog of dissatisfaction, unveiling a horizon filled with potential rather than disappointment. This transition was not about plastering over hardships with platitudes, but about recognizing and dwelling in the quiet assurance that there is much to be thankful for, even amidst adversity. As Seneca might remind us, our sufferings sometimes loom larger in imagination than reality. By allowing gratitude to anchor the mind, Alex discovered a profound truth. Thankfulness has the remarkable power to transform pressures into possibilities, 18th storms into seeds of growth. In moments of clarity, Alex's gratitude illuminated a new path, one where life was not a series of uncontrollable events, but a tapestry of moments for which to be sincerely thankful. As the night sky stretched infinitely above, Alex found themselves not just gazing at stars, but into the depths of their own purpose. For too long, the pressure to succeed had been like a storm cloud, obscuring any vision of what truly mattered. Then, like dawn breaking after a long night, the principles of Stoicism shed light on a profound realization. Success is not measured by external accolades, but by the inner compass of purpose and clarity. Amidst the chaos, Marcus Aurelius' words echoed like a guiding star. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. In this awareness, Alex uncovered a compass pointing towards meaningful goals that aligned with their deepest values. It wasn't about accumulating accolades, but living with intention and making each decision count. With newfound clarity, Alex crafted a path defined not by societal expectations, but by a heartfelt commitment to growth, resilience, and gratitude. The anxious weight of the future dissipated, replaced by an empowering sense of direction and intention. Alex was no longer adrift in a sea of uncertainty. They were a captain navigating with purpose. This journey, rooted in ancient wisdom, transformed Alex's life into an inspiring symphony of intention and clarity. As they moved forward, each step was a testament to the strength found within, a tribute to a life reborn with purpose. In today's world of relentless pace and pressure, the wisdom of Stoicism stands as a lighthouse guiding us through the storm. Imagine Alex, who once wrestled with the suffocating demands of success. They learned to focus on what could be controlled, their actions, their reactions, their thoughts, and to release the tight grip on things they couldn't. Like Alex, we can apply this principle at work by shifting from obsessing over outcomes to mastering our efforts. In relationships, it's about embracing resilience, choosing how to respond to conflicts with strength rather than letting stress consume us. Gratitude grounds us, allowing us to appreciate small victories amid challenges, nurturing a rich sense of fulfillment. Alex, who now thrives on such principles, approaches each day with clarity and purpose, transforming past anxieties into a tapestry of opportunity. Isn't it time we followed that path? Perhaps like Alex, we can find power in acceptance, freedom in resilience, and joy in gratitude. As the story of Alex concludes, we realize the profound simplicity of ancient wisdom woven into modernity's complexities. By embracing control over their own mind, accepting life's unpredictability, and fostering resilience, Alex discovers a life rich in purpose and contentment. It's a transformation from anxious striving to peaceful being, a reminder that true strength is found within. If Alex's journey resonated with you, consider the art of Stoicism in your own life. Explore these timeless teachings. Find serenity amid the chaos. Like, subscribe, and share your insights below. What will you take away for your own path?